Power Bar sports nutrition products feature the muscle fueling innovation C2 Max, a powerful dual source energy blend featuring a 2-to-1 mixture of glucose and fructose. Groundbreaking studies have shown that this exclusive carbohydrate combination delivers up to 50% more energy to working muscles than glucose alone. This muscle fuel can result in a measurable performance benefit. Research has shown, with C2 Max as the fuel source, cycling time trial performance was improved 8% over glucose alone. More energy to muscles and improved endurance performance. That's the C2 Max difference. How does C2 Max deliver more energy? Glucose, until recently, had been thought of as the gold standard for fueling muscles. Here's how the body handles glucose alone. Once ingested, glucose moves more slowly through the stomach compared to C2 Max. Glucose then travels into the small intestine, where it is absorbed into the bloodstream. At the micro level, glucose molecules have to pass through transporters in the digestive tract before they can enter the bloodstream. These transporters can only process about 1 gram of carbs per minute. If more glucose is ingested than can be absorbed, it could remain in the gut. There can be delayed fluid absorption, GI distress, and ultimately reduced performance. It doesn't have to be this way. C2 Max dual source energy blend of glucose and fructose can mean better endurance performance and increased GI comfort during exercise. With C2 Max, you can have a faster rate of emptying of carbs from the stomach and faster delivery to the small intestine where absorption takes place, compared to glucose alone. This efficient delivery process may lessen the chance of GI discomfort during exercise and may also improve fluid delivery, which is critical to maintaining hydration during exercise. At the micro level, taking in a mixture of both glucose and fructose takes advantage of 2 separate transport systems. Compared to glucose alone, more carbohydrate fuel is delivered to blood and muscles when glucose and fructose are taken together in a 2-to-1 ratio. With C2 Max, you can take advantage of the carrying capacity of 2 transport systems versus just 1 with glucose alone. The more carbohydrates delivered, the more energy that makes its way to working muscles, and less GI distress, better fluid absorption, and ultimately better endurance performance for athletes. Significantly better endurance performance. 17% better than water and 8% better than glucose alone. 8% better than glucose alone? Imagine what you could do with 8% better endurance performance. Bar, sports drink, gel, or chew. Get similar results in any form. So look for Power Bar products formulated with C2 Max. Mix and match to find an energy combination that meets your performance goals. Power Bar. Power to push.